This is a question for grade 7 algebra. It reads, the sum of 5 consecutive natural numbers is equal to 2005. What is the greatest number among them? So we have 5 consecutive natural numbers. Now, natural numbers refer to numbers that are positive and that are whole numbers. So numbers starting from 1 and all the way through. Then it says 5 consecutive natural numbers. For example, consecutive numbers is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And it says if I add these 5 consecutive numbers up to one another, that answer is equal to 2005. Now obviously it's not 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. We need to find the right numbers. And how we do that is we write this using algebra. So we use x because we don't know where to start. So that will be our first number. Then the number after x would be x plus 1. Then x plus 2, x plus 3, and then lastly x plus 4. Now x is our first number. Let's say, for example, x is 20. Then x plus 1 would be 21. X plus 2, 22, and goes all the way to x plus 4. Next, what we have is that the sum of these 5 consecutive natural numbers is equal to 2005. So if I take these 5 consecutive natural numbers starting from x and I add them all together, so it's x plus 1 plus x plus 2 plus x plus 3 plus x plus 4, that is equals to 2005. And can you see we have each of the numbers represented in our equation that we have just created. Now we can add up like terms. So like terms are all the variables of x we can add together, and we can add all of the constant values also together. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 x's. So that simplifies to 5x. Then 1 plus 2, which is 3, plus 3, that is 6, plus 4, that is 10. So 5x plus 10 is equal to 2005. And now we can solve for x. So first, let us move the 10 over. So that becomes 5x is equals to 2005 minus 10. That makes it 5x is equal to 1995. And in order to get x alone, I divide both sides by 5. So if I divide by 5 on the left, the 5s will cancel out. So that will be x. And then 1995 divided by 5 is 399. So we know that the first number in our 5 consecutive numbers is 399. So the greatest number would be x plus 4. So that will be x plus 4, and that is 399 plus 4. And that answer is 403. So the correct option would be option A, 403.